to hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamin?
Alone, every night alone. Why am I alone? You know that you want me to. Am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these curls on this curly unit. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve that, make sure you keep on watching. But before we get into that, I have to share the details on this hair. This hair is from UNice Hair. Thank you, UNice, for sponsoring yet another video. Shout out to y'all. Y'all really up there. This is their 5x5 HD lace closure curly unit. This is 250% density, and this is also 30 inches. Okay, so I did this entire unit using EBIN products. I used their edge control, their foaming mousse for the curls, and also their lace bond spray to lay and melt my lace. Now, I don't really know how I feel about this lace bonding spray. I did initially try it before and I've used it a couple of times, but I'm not really sure how I feel about how it looks like second, third day. It kind of dries white, but the first day, chef's kiss. Like, I really like how it looks the first day. It looks like skin, but the next day I'm not really too sure how I like it, but it's gonna do what I need for it to do for the day. But if you guys are interested in any of the products that I used in this video, make sure you check the description box below. And also, if you would like to purchase this wig, this will be linked down below with some coupon codes and also some of UNice's other specials they have going on. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the video and in my future ones. Bye guys.
All night, say it. All night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Alright, so let's get into this wig. This unit comes like this in these tight coils, but we're going to loosen that up because we're not going to wear that wig like that. Now, to secure your wig, we have 2 combs on each side for your temples, and then we have a comb at the bottom, 2 elastic bands on each side, and also one that you can attach and detach to your liking. So now we're going to get into washing and conditioning this unit so it's nice and clean for our tutorial.
Baby, I wonder.
Also, if y'all want a detailed tutorial on how I bleach my knots and tone them, just let me know and I got y'all.
I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
So now on to styling this unit. This is how these curls look, completely air dried and with absolutely no product in it, but we're going to change that because we're going to define those curls, and we're also going to flatten out these roots using my Hair wax stick. And honestly, I'm not really a fan of this wax stick for my wigs specifically, just because it's pretty greasy. So I'm in the market to find something to lay those flyaways just a little bit better, and also to flatten out those roots. But this is all I had to work with, and I'm also almost done. So I'm about to finish it up, and then I'll, find something better to get the look that I'm going for these flat and laid slick roots. But after I flatten out the front of the roots, I'm also going to cover up those back tracks, and then we're going to get into plucking, installing, and defining these curls. So the hairline on this unit was beautiful straight out the pack. It was pre-plucked and it looks really good, but of course I'm going to add my finishing touches to it. But the only thing that I kind of had a complaint about was the unit was that the closure started exactly where the track starts as well. So I prefer for my closures to kind of go in front of the hairline just by maybe not even a whole inch, like a half of inch, just so when I'm doing my baby hairs you won't see the track starting exactly where the closure starts and ends, you know what I mean? So like you can kind of see the track right there, and we don't want to see that while it's on our head. It just kind of looks off. So that was my only flaw with the unit. Other than that, everything was really nice. To the installation, I'm using the EBIN Wonder Lace Bond Spray, and y'all, I know this product has the potential to last more than 24 hours. I just need to do it the right way. Like, I honestly think it's just my fault, but I'm gonna give this another try. I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna really let y'all know that I did what I was supposed to do. But this stuff works really, really good. Like, the first day, this literally looks like skin. It melts so well, and I get so many compliments on it, but it only lasted for like 24 hours, and I had to take it off because it got crusty and white, and I'm just like, what is going on? But if y'all have any advice or tips on how I can get this to last longer, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm going to make sure I get it, because I saw so many good reviews and just testimonials about this product. So let me know, because like I said, we gonna get it together. Now let's get into defining these curls. This is probably my favorite part about curly hair. It's just watching those curls and coils define with the foamy mousse or whatever product I'm using. So as you guys can see, I'm using my EBIN foaming lotion, and actually this is my first time ever using this product, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Like, this hair is really, really big and really fluffy, so we had to tone her down, and these curls popped. Like, these curls were so beautiful and just smooth, and they really, the final result was amazing. So I really, really like this foaming lotion.
orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around.
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
Living on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone?
Eek. Y'all really need to get into this HD lace. I really did my big one, but I really didn't because I need for this to last at least 2-3 days max. At least, because it looks so good and I don't want to keep doing this over and over when I can just troubleshoot and figure out how to have this looking like skin for 2-3 days. Because I mean, spray, I know spray isn't gonna last like glue, but I know it's not supposed to last a day. I know that for a fact. So like I said, leave your advice below on how I can get it to stay a little bit longer. But other than that, this lace was beautiful, super thin, and it looks good. It looks really, really good.
Give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, so we finally made it to the end of this video. This concludes my tutorial on this EBIN spray melting this lace in this beautiful curly wig. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned of my little clips because this hair dried beautifully, period. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Insert. My baby mama.